Alright everyone, welcome back. Today I'm in another new construction house, but this time this is a little bit different because I actually installed this opener. That might sound a little bit crazy to y'all, but I was riding my scooter through here trying to find, see if they installed any new garage doors, and I saw the truck that was installing them. No openers in the truck, if you're wondering, so I didn't get anything new. But, well, I did get $25, but that's cool. But he was installing this door right here, and the opener was still in the box, and I asked him if I would be able to just, help him install it, and he said that he would see if I could probably do it by myself, and then he could go to another house and work on the other doors. So, yeah, I pretty much installed this opener completely by myself. I did the wiring in the back part there. I did the angle iron. I used power tools for the first time ever, so that's cool. But yeah, I got the 893 here, and for some reason the lights in here do not work. I'm not really sure why, but yeah, anyway, let's run this up with the 893 on. Here we go. I do need to lubricate this door. It's really squeaky, but yeah, this is an Amarr Hillcrest 1000, same as that door, and same as those three doors. So, yeah, 882 over here. I'll run this down and then I'll get y'all an outside view. All right, I don't know, I think the noise is probably either the spring or the cables because it's doing it repeatedly, so yeah, all right. Let's run it up. Here, I'll take this out of my pocket. Let's run this up. And it's a little squeaky. I do need to lubricate it. Might bring my lube over and lubricate it later, not sure. All right, here we go. Back up. All right, let's go in. I'll put the remote back on the release rope, if I can. Hang on, let me put you down somewhere. I'm not sure if y'all will be able to see me or not. Probably not. I can't see what my phone can see right now. So, let's run this down, and that'll be it. All right, I'll see you on the next one.